You can also archive matters, which will remove them from a view unless you specifically choose to search for archive clients. Select Archive. All figures relating to the matter, as well as a ledger summary, unmet key dates and suspended time entries will be visible here. As we've just created this matter, this screen will be blank. Please note that you'll be unable to archive matters with any balances on the client ledger. Also, any WIP will be written off once the matter is archived. Enter an archive reference and location if you wish. Then select Save. Once a matter has been archived, you'll be unable to post to the time or client ledgers. However, you may still add key dates should you wish. Archived matters will show a Restore icon on the Matter overview. Select this to restore your matter to an active state. Click OK. This matter is now live again.